think I've done a video on this Apple Pencil. This is kind of a combination. I'm going to be splitting it in two because I have to change the name. Or I might actually do it below, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm doing an unboxing of the pencil, but what I want, this video is mostly about, is these things. So these are, what happens is when you use this on a tablet or on an iPad mini 5, I believe. This is the Apple Pencil first generation, so it'll be either iPad mini 5 or an iPad Pro up to the third version, I believe, that this works on. Then I think the iPad 4 generation, you have to use the new pencil, the second generation one. So this is the first version and it works really well. I don't even need to show it. I'm going to tell you, this thing works really well. Very responsive. My wife uses it for letter writing and it works so well. She loves using it. She uses it for work, for writing letters, for everything, and she can't live without it. It's awesome. So I kind of bought a second one. This is going to be a gift for a friend. And what I want to show you also is that I don't like the fact that you have to stick this into a tablet to charge it, even though it's great because I think 15 seconds gives you, 15 minutes of charge, or even an hour. I don't even know. I mean, it's really fast charging. It's pretty good. But the way I've been charging this and the way I've had her charging, is instead of sticking it into the actual tablet, she's using the iPad mini 5. I buy these things and they work really well. So we're going to try this one out. This is a new version from the one that I usually buy. And they kind of tend to work really well. Sort of like a coupler to the lightning cable. And they all tend to work really well. I'm going to open up the pencil and basically you plug in the lightning connector here, the cable, and the other end another lightning, the pencil itself, and that becomes the charging. So that way you're charging it and it's not connected and somebody doesn't accidentally hit it and snap it off. So it works really well, these things. They all tend to work. It's just a coupler. I don't see any issues whatsoever. It's just charging. It's not making communication. Sometimes you have to stick this into the tablet so that the tablet recognizes it. That only takes a few seconds. As long as you're careful, you should have no problems. But let me show you how I use this. Let me play a description of the actual Apple Pencil and this item so that you can get an idea of what I'm doing.
Charging adapter compatible Apple Pencil Converter Tether coupler female to female cable adapter iPad mini. Ailun charging adapter compatible with Apple Pencil cable 3-pack compatible with iPad Pencil charger converter and Tether female to female cable adapter for iPad Pro Apple Pencil connector silver by Ailun cost $6.99 Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b075wx8y2/ref=ppxyodt basintitlio 06s00 $?utf8 $psc 1a cable charging adapter designed to charge the Apple Pencil with a cable, easy to use, a great little gadget to free up your iPad Pro own charging receptacle. You just plug one end into the Apple Pencil and the other into the cord to charge the Apple Pencil Mini. Apple Pencil Adapter Mini design adapter is convenient to place it in your bags, pockets, and cases. It is very easy to carry it everywhere. Perfect compatibility. The charging adapter is specially designed for the Apple Pencil to the charging cable. Charging adapter compatible with Apple Pencil cable 3-pack compatible with iPad Pencil charger converter and Tether female to female cable adapter. For iPad Pro Apple Pencil connector silver. Product information. Product dimensions 4.92 x 2.83 x 0.28 inches. Item weight 0.81 ounces. Manufacturer Cyanea ASINB 07FYWX8Y2. Item model number 654-389-0753.
as you saw earlier, it comes with one of these so that you can charge. I wasn't aware of that. I must have forgotten. When I first bought the pencil, I had purchased it used. It didn't come with that, so that's probably what happened. It's nice to have extra chargers. And like I said, the pencil works really well. I have absolutely no issues whatsoever. It'll charge up with the coupler and works really well. Also comes with an extra tip. Take the tip out. You just screw it off over here. Comes right off like that. This is what's at the end. Tips wear out, but they take, I mean, it must have been 2 years before we needed a new one for my wife's Apple Pencil. They just last forever. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.